I'm consciously, trying to keep our Indian culture, keep our, respect and that thing alive through my work. I want to carry my culture with
That's
me
so sweet.
because I'm very proud of it. मैं अपने देश को अपने साथ लेके चलती हूँ.
Wow.
कभी हमने वो कोशिश करी ही नहीं है कि हम अपने कल्चर को cool दिखाएं ना, वो है cool. I come from India and I'm very proud of it. In Lucknow we are used to addressing as aap. We never talk as tum or tu.
Yeah.
And then somebody just addressed me, idhar aa. And I was like, I'm sorry, what? The biggest red flag is lying. I cannot take a lie. Without sounding rude, I'm still trying to figure out what is feminism from Lucknow to the world.
Wow.
That's Tia's journey.
Hi, this is Raj Shukla from Take One Filmy, and today I have with me Tia Bajpai, well, Bollywood actor, singer, and now a writer. Is
Yes,
there anything
yes.
that you can't do?
There's a list. I'm
Okay.
working on it.
Making moong dal halwa or something?
That's a complex dish. It's not
Right.
easy.
I know.
I'm consciously, trying to keep our Indian culture,
Yeah.
keep our, respect and that thing alive through my work. So now whatever work you see from me, I want to carry my culture with
That's
me
so sweet.
because I'm very proud of it. And the
Indeed.
world, when they see us, say our clothes, if you see, they are grand. Like the outfits that I'm wearing are from my own brand. I'm working on it.
Okay.
Yes.
So you
it's-
can't name it.
I don't want to name it, but it's going to be out soon.
But promise me you'll get a men's collection too in that.
I will.
Thank God,
Eventually
thanks.
we will. So, the idea behind the video was मैं अपने देश को अपने साथ लेके चलती हूँ.
Wow.
So, idea is from, and I always, there's a title, it's for in one of my films also, I always say from Lucknow to the world.
Wow.
That's Tia's journey.
लखनऊ से सीधा
जी
ऊपर.
so वो कॉन्शियस है कि आप जब भी आगे भी आप देखोगे ना काम मेरा, you will see a hint of our culture in my work. I want to keep it alive.
That's actually very nice thing to say, and actually not just say, you're working based on that motto, if
Yes,
that's
yes.
correct to say, because I personally always feel Indian movies you use the word grand, and we are grand.
We are grand.
हम we have like songs and music, and हम खुश होते तो नाचने लगते हैं. And that is something I feel that makes our movies or whatever content we create distinct from the rest of the world.
Exactly, yes.
But unfortunately, there are very few like you who things like that. It deserves applause for that.
Thank you so much. See, if you show it to people,
Yeah.
then they start thinking about it.
Yes.
कभी हमने वो कोशिश करी ही नहीं है कि हम अपने कल्चर को cool दिखाएं ना, वो है cool.
Exactly.
Exactly. It's okay if I fail doing something I love. I don't have that fear that ये चलेगा नहीं चलेगा. People have to watch that. I come from India and I'm very proud of it.
Wow. And actually, that makes this song like Natu Natu win an Oscar. That's the culture.
Exactly, that's our culture. See, it's right there.
Yeah.
And it's not that people, the world, when you go out in the world, India has a different kind of respect in the world.
Yes.
Oh, you're from India. Oh, I love India. I love India. So वो चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में, because I'm living in London now.
Okay.
I'm working, most of my work is there, and I'm traveling to Istanbul. I have a house there. So when I'm seeing people's reaction, oh, you're from India, wow, wow, wow. So I'm like, okay, people love India. It's,
I know, yeah.
हमारे दिमाग में शायद ये हम सोचते हैं कि पता नहीं वो क्या सोचते हैं,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
they have a lot of respect for our
For our
culture. So
culture.
why not take it to the world? No?
That's absolutely true. Okay, before I move on, please list me down कि what all do you do? कहाँ क्या चल रहा है?
See, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. See, they are in the pipeline, but
Okay.
I don't want to mention it because
अच्छा.
there's no point talking about it now unless it is fully ready. But yes, you will, in future, you will see my own brands. I'm working on them. And of course, my movies, my songs, these things are going to go.
चलता रहेगा
चलता
ना?
रहेगा.
Yeah, you promise you're not gonna go away
I'm
from
not
that.
going to go away. Not until the day I die. You will
Wow.
see me working. I always tell, this is a big thing when we are sitting down. I always tell my team, I want to go out singing. That's how it has to be.
The true Indian. Drama everywhere. We love drama. ड्रामा से याद आया, you know, you when you started of course acting and then singing, आपका if I'm not wrong almost simultaneous ही चला है, obviously थोड़ा timeline ऊपर नीचे हुआ होगा. Take me to your childhood. How were you, like a drama queen or a studious student? How were you?
I was very सीधा.
Really?
Yeah, wow. Very सीधा.
Not that I'm surprised, but yeah.
So I've been raised in Lucknow. I used to go to school 7 in the morning, come back home, you know, eat my lunch and then go to music. So I have done normal schooling and music schooling together.
Wow.
हाँ, तो मैं 12:30 1 बजे घर आती थी. I used to have my lunch and then I used to go to my music school. वहाँ पे क्लासेस होती थी and then I used to go for my tuitions. So I was always busy. This was my schedule because my parents are musicians, you know. So they made a constant like effort कि इसका म्यूजिक नहीं छूटना चाहिए. तो मेरे मम्मी या पापा मुझे सुबह स्कूल छोड़ने जाते थे, फिर वो म्यूजिक स्कूल लेके जाते थे. म्यूजिक स्कूल में 1 घंटा 2 घंटा वहाँ पढ़ाई होती थी पूरी बाकायदा. उसके बाद मैं ट्यूशन्स जाती थी. So that was my schedule and very boring life, no parties, and I did that till the time I came to Mumbai.
That's better, no?
Yes.
You were prepared.
Yes.
My parents better not watch this. Like, देखो ये होते हैं बच्चे.
So I was doing an interview in Lucknow,
okay.
And the RJ was telling me that because I was in Saregama and you know I became famous. His mom used to wake him up every morning, like pull the रज़ाई हटा में, देखो लखनऊ की लड़की कहाँ पहुँच गई, तुम देखो क्या करो. And he's like, I had so much anger towards you because I was like, ये कौन है जो मेरी मम्मी रोज मुझे डांटती है इसकी वजह से. तो he was like, today I'm doing your interview and I'm feeling proud, but trust me, I had so much hatred for you. I was like, don't say that.
You are that शर्मा जी की बेटी, I'm telling you.
Yes. देखो उनकी बेटी के वाजपेयी जी की बेटी.
Yeah, वाजपेयी जी की बेटी, you are of course. But you know, okay, when you made the shift to Mumbai, was it you decided कि okay now I'm going to start auditioning, or was it a process कि you got into college, or how was it?
No, so I remember auditioning for Saregama. So before that I had participated in Antakshari. तब एक अनु कपूर जी का अंताक्षरी आता था.
दीवाने परवाने मस्तानी.
Yes, I was a kid back then, and from there they heard me and they were like, you know, you should participate in Saregama. Then Ismail ji was there audition करने आए थे. I did, and there were only 4 kids, 3 or 4 kids selected from Lucknow, and I was one of them.
Wow.
Yeah, but he was very strict. So वहाँ से I came to Mumbai and Saregama happened. And जब भी मुझे कोई देखता था, they were like, you look so nice, you should be an actor. तो मैंने कुछ सोचा भी नहीं था because Bollywood actress is a very big tag.
Of course.
You know,
yeah,
I take great pride in it when someone, you know, today but as a child मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था कि I'll go to Mumbai. हाँ, वहाँ तक सोच ही नहीं पहुँचती थी जहाँ भगवान ने मुझे पहुँचा दिया. You know, so when this and then I think Haunted happened, Vikram sir just came to me and said, you are my Meera. I was like, what? So then he said, I'm making a movie and you're going to be the lead in that. I was like, me? Are you serious? And he was like, yes, you. And I think from there, things changed.
Right. And Haunted 3D, I remember Haunted, because 3D film उतनी बनती नहीं थी तब, and Haunted का 3D अच्छा था.
Haunted, it was the first stereoscopic 3D.
Yes.
So I would say बहुत लोगों का सपना होता है जो मुझे जो है by the grace of God and of course my parents' blessings, और कोई चीज़ नहीं हो सकती. I think I got big opportunities in my life and touch wood, I hope I have done justice to it.
You have for sure, which is why, like, you know, like you said, from Lucknow to the world, which is why this is happening.
Yes.
You know, you are on that way.
Yes.
Okay, what's the biggest culture shock you felt when you shifted from Lucknow to Mumbai?
Okay, so in Lucknow we are used to addressing as aap. We never talk as tum or tu.
Yeah.
And then somebody just addressed me, idhar aa. And I was like, I'm sorry, what? I got offended. I was like, how are you talking to me? He's like, no, we talk like this. And I was like, oh my God, okay, I'm so sorry. Because I'm like, aap idhar aa jaiye, aap idhar baith jaiye. That was the only thing. But I think one thing I want to say about Mumbai, this city is magic.
True.
This city, it's an emotion, it's not a city.
True.
So then once I started staying here, living here, this became my home.
That happens. जब होता है ना, रूह रह जाती है, सोल रह जाती है. You can one can take you out of Mumbai, but one can't take Mumbai out of you.
Yeah,
That's what
yeah,
happens.
yeah. That's true.
And
That's
now,
true.
especially when you know, coming from you, when you are obviously scattered almost everywhere. Because you're working with, in the conversation I heard Mumbai, London, Istanbul, everything.
Sometimes I wonder, why am I doing this to myself? Because my one suitcase is always packed and I'm just traveling and doing gigs and going here for work or going here for recording, and then I'm like, nah man, this is the life I dreamed of. Let me live it.
Let me live it. थोड़ी सी थकान हो जाती है, well, no, God has given me this, but
I should not take it for granted.
You remember, when was it when you first time felt, okay, now I think I've done something, कुछ तो किया है मैंने. I don't want to say कि now I've arrived or come here, because ऐसा हो सकता है. For example, I am very ambitious, so मेरे ज़िंदगी में वो कभी आएगा ही नहीं कि I've arrived, because for me it's always like चलो अभी वो अब क्या. So are you someone like that, or you felt कभी ना कभी सोचा होगा कि okay, now I've arrived नहीं, but something I've done.
So see, सारेगामापा जब हुआ था ना, that was my dream. I saw the first episode of सारे, तब सोनू जी was the host.
2005 it was?
Yes, it was but when Sonu ji used to host, I was a kid and I saw it on TV and I said, one day I'm going to go into this show and I'm going to win it. You know, so वहाँ से वो चला. एंड जब भी मुझे कोई पूछता था बचपन में तुम्हें क्या करना है, मैं कहती थी मैं बॉम्बे जाऊंगी और मैं सारेगामापा जीतूंगी. दैट वाज द ड्रीम, यू नो, दैट्स इट. तो जब मैं पहली बार, और हम जब पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे थे ना, तब स्टेज देयर वाज अ सीडी, you know what's a CD, like the old,
I know.
So वो था और वो घूमता था.
Oh, I get it.
You know, and I stood on it and I'm telling you, I was shaking because that was my dream and I was living it. And at that moment, I promised myself that I'm going to rule this city. I know it sounds very bad, but that was my dream. I was like, no matter how difficult it is, I'm not going to go back.
Wow.
This is who I want to be. This is what I want to be. This is my life. I'm ready to sacrifice anything, but this is my life. I'm an artist and I'm going to be a big artist.
Yeah.
From there, my thought process changed and everything changed.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have been around since quite long now. Of course, there are so many changes that have happened in the way we function everywhere. Not just acting, journalism, everywhere. Like the way you're interacting, things have changed. But what is it that one positive change you have felt कि okay has come in the work ethics or in the work culture in the entertainment business?
I think people are now more open to change.
हाँ.
You know, before there were a lot of things that people were very prejudiced about. They would not open up. They would not be openly accept. Like when I came to Mumbai, it was tough for me because people were not so. They were not so open about the idea of a new girl coming from Lucknow, and but now because of social media, there are good sides and bad sides to social media, but because of social media, so many artists are getting a chance.
Exactly.
When I was here, it was very tough.
कुछ था ही नहीं.
कुछ नहीं था.
How will you reach the audience?
Now the audience reaches you.
Yeah,
now you can just sit on social media, sing a song, and you have likes. And we didn't have it.
Yeah.
We had to work 10 times harder to get one opportunity.
Go to Ramnagar.
Go to Malad, go to here, Goregaon. There were auditions, this, that. So I think that has changed, and that it's a good thing. It's a positive thing, and I'm really happy about it.
Wow. So do you enjoy making reels?
I've not made a single reel till today.
Okay, now, obviously, malab your work, just like that, you don't do it.
No, see, if it is work related, I will do it. But I don't like to share my personal things to the world. I'm a very private person. I know I'm in a wrong profession because there's no such thing as privacy for us. But still, जैसे मुझे नहीं पसंद है कि मैं चाय पी रही हूँ तो मैं उसका फोटो डाल दूँ. I don't like it because see, social media for me is a professional platform. So I take great pride when I share my work with people because that's who I am. बाकी मैं खाने में क्या खा रही हूँ, मैं क्या पहन रही हूँ, that is not important information. So why give it out?
We don't feel like giving it out. Yeah, it's not needed.
Yeah.
You're blessed that way. I also hate it. Like खाने से भूख लग रही है, but you need to take a picture.
Yes,
You don't
I
do it,
don't do
right? Oh my God, that's a miracle. Like I think there are only 4-5 of us left.
I swear. So let's protect each other.
I know. Yeah, you know, I love like anyway. You just said you're coming up with a brand, but I love your styling. I was just mentioning before the interview. We met at an award function earlier, and you're wearing some. I don't know what do we call it? Is it a tiara or something? But some headgear.
It's a headgear, like a yeah.
So you style yourself, or you have your inputs whenever
No,
someone
see,
is styling.
I have a team. So whenever we have an important occasion like interviews and all that, we sit down and we decide what hairstyle, what accessories, what looks, and then it's my call. I take the final call. I tell them bring these things together. Let me see how it looks, and then I have a team. It's not me alone.
Obviously, you might be good at it, but I understand time भी नहीं होता है उतना ज़्यादा because we do a lot of things.
No, so the company that I'm signed with, you know,
Achha, yeah.
they're very particular about things that we have to, because see, you've been given an opportunity. We are who people look up to. So you have to give them something to look up to you.
Of
You know,
course, of
you
course.
cannot just go looking in normal jeans and t-shirt to an
Yeah,
award
yeah.
show. It's a celebration of talent. So
Talent,
you
yeah.
should celebrate. And how we celebrate? You look good. You wear good clothes. You know, you enjoy
Get
it.
it.
That's how you celebrate. So that's the thought process behind it. Yeah.
Wow, when you got your first acting assignment, how did your family react and how did you tell them, okay, अब मुझे ये मिल गया है? I'm very sure because correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm sure you have a very supportive family, which is where the calmness and the content comes from.
Yeah.
If I'm not wrong. But then still, वो apprehensions तो होते ही हैं जब तक आप नहीं जाते हो बॉम्बे में, चाहे कोई कितना अच्छा हो. And it's not about अच्छा और बुरा, it comes out of protection. I understand that. So, how did you break it to them?
So actually it was easy for me because
Okay.
मैं बचपन से उनको बोलती थी कि मम्मी मुझे बॉम्बे ही जाना है. You know, I'm going to tell you this funny story. So one day, one of my mathematics teacher in school was giving me a hard time, and he was like, "You have to do this, otherwise तुम life में आगे नहीं बढ़ोगी, तुम्हें पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी." And I just got so angry. I threw my books and I was like, "I don't want to study. I'm going to be a star." It was such a big deal that he came to my house and he just complained, "See how she's behaving," and all that. So now when I'm sorry sir, I'm so sorry.
But you proved your point.
But I did. But at that time it was.
know.
And my mom looked at me and she was like, "What happened?" I said, "He keeps telling me I cannot do anything in life. I don't want to do this.
Yeah, exactly.
I have different,
Yeah.
I want to do different
Yeah,
things."
yeah.
So then my mom, of course, she apologized to him. She was like, and then she told him, "Leave my daughter alone. Let her do what she wants to do. I don't send her to school to get harassed. Leave her alone."
Wow, a big round of applause to your mother.
Exactly.
I wish everyone else was like that.
So मेरे साथ साथ उनका भी सपना था ये कि मैं कुछ करूं अपनी लाइफ
Yeah,
में बनूं.
yeah.
और जब वो हुआ, they were very excited. But now they are like, "You want to do singing, you want to make movies, whatever you want to do. There's no restrictions from us.
Right.
Just be respectful."
Right.
That's all.
If I have to ask you, are you at a content place right now, or are you agile in a day? The day the moment you wake up. So how are you like that? कि agility होती है इंसान में, या फिर you are content. Okay, I have this to do. I'll do it.
See, I'm very moody that way.
Okay.
I'm very moody. So there are days when I wake up and I'm like, "Oh, I have to finish this. I have to do this." And then there are days when I'm like, "Nah, I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna just have a cup of tea and just sit, relax." That's me. So there are times when I want to make movies and I'm like, "Oh, let's finish this film."
Yeah.
And then there are times when I want to sing. And there are times when I hate it. Like I'm like, बंद कर दो गाना, बिल्कुल मुझे बिल्कुल सुनना नहीं है. I don't want to listen to it. I just want to relax.
I want any human beings also around.
I do that sometimes.
This happens. Are you Sagittarius?
No, I'm a Gemini.
Okay. Because that happens to me also. I don't want any human beings around.
I know it happens. It's normal.
But you are one of the very few artists, I would say, who are actually doing well when it comes to acting, and have won award in singing also. Because the other person person I know is Ayushmann Khurrana. I don't know. I can't think of any other name like that.
Yeah, because there are not many actors and singers.
Yeah.
No? Yeah.
Who are equally balancing.
Yeah.
You know, या तो फिर एक होता है one side dominate हो जाता है. But kudos to you on that.
Touch wood. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You know, there's a song in your, there's a line in your song प्यार चाहिए. What's love for you? अच्छा चलो, let me make it fun. What's the biggest green flag and the red flag in a guy for you, in a partner?
I think the biggest green flag is loyalty and honesty. And the biggest red flag is lying. I cannot take a lie.
Dishonesty, which is.
Yeah, dishonesty.
Okay.
Biggest red flag.
Rest everything is for you is it's okay. Like
See, you have to make it work.
Yeah.
You know, to expect a person to be perfect, वो अपनी पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारना होगा.
Yeah.
Because we are human beings, we are flawed by nature. You know, we do get tempted. There are a lot of flaws in us. There's nobody is perfect. So. For a relationship to work, you have to put in a lot of work. Now,
Yeah.
how you cannot just be like, oh, this is the perfect guy. There's nobody is perfect.
Yeah.
You have to make it perfect.
right. How are you as a partner? Are you someone very very grumpy or something, or you like are you the mature one usually, or are you the one who is who gets emotionally dependent like for everything?
Oh, I am emotionally very dependent.
Really?
I am. Yeah. For me, love is everything.
Right.
You know, so of course I'm in a relationship. I'm very happy, and so my whole world revolves around
Yeah.
the person I'm in love with. That's me.
Right.
And personally, I want to. I always make it work. It has to. You know, if you've given someone so much of your time, you have to make it work. Because मैं अभी पिछले इंटरव्यू में कह रही थी कि समय ना पैसे से भी ज़्यादा प्रेशियस होता है.
True.
क्योंकि पैसा आप कमा लेते हो, टाइम घूम के वापस नहीं आता.
Right.
So when someone is investing their time on you, you better value it.
Right.
So that, and I'm very moody. There are times when I'm like, oh, I love you, baby, and there are times like, leave me alone.
दबा यहाँ से.
That's true.
Okay. So what's on work front? On acting. On the acting front, basically, what's coming up, or any music video, singing again you're coming up with?
So see, now my film Prince Charming is in pre-production, so we are going to start filming for it in December. So that is there, and then I'm working on a new horror film. I'm so excited for that.
Oh.
Yes, it's called Don't Laugh.
Okay.
It's a working title right now, so we are working towards this. Once I finish filming for it,
Yeah.
then I'll start filming for Don't Laugh. So
Okay.
those two are there, and then you will hear a lot of music from me.
Oh wow!
Thank you.
Again, if I have to ask you, what's feminism for you? Because it's a very misquoted and misinterpreted term. What's equality for you, and like how do you interpret it?
Honestly, without sounding rude, I'm still trying to figure out what is feminism.
Yeah.
What people mean by feminism, because then there are times when you are like, oh, I'm a feminist, but what are you doing to
Yeah.
me? I don't understand this
I
term
get it.
feminism.
Yeah.
You know, it's a very मेरे ऊपर से जाता है.
Yeah.
I don't understand it, but I think मोटा मोटी अगर आप पूछेंगे, I think it's about empowering women. But you have to empower women who need empowerment. No.
Yeah.
See, I am already empowered. All the women sitting here, they're empowered. You know, if you really want to empower women, go to the places where there is genuinely a need. Otherwise, don't talk about it.
Yeah, where they might not even know that there's a word called feminism.
Yes, that is the place where feminism is required, not amongst us. We are, empowered. We are doing well.
Right. Okay, lastly, before we sign off, what kind of a content consumer are you? What kind of movies do you like? And which is the recent one that blew your mind, or you loved watching?
Honestly, I'm going to sound a bit narcissist. I love my movie.
I love it. That's the best thing.
No, but jokes apart, I'm a
No,
big
but you
fan.
no jokes. You can be serious about it also. Yeah.
Okay, then I'm serious about it. I love my movies. See,
Yeah.
and I've done some good movies.
Yeah, of course.
1920, and I would say I've done the best horror films in India.
Yeah.
Those-
Haunted, especially initially, and then 1920 Evil Returns. Over.
But apart from me, I think Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. He's everything.
Right.
He is what Bollywood is.
Right.
Bollywood is known because of him.
Outside Special.
Outside Special. No, his films, and last one I think I saw Jawan. I loved it. I'm a big
Yeah.
fan of his, and I always look forward to his movies.
I also maybe working with him.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
I'm putting it out in the universe.
But when you said I want to rule the city, you know, I didn't just put it out, but it reminded me of Shah Rukh Khan
Shah Rukh
because
sir.
yeah, he said it in an interview. He has I think multiple times said it.
he is ruling the city,
Yeah, I
you know.
know.
If I do 10% of that, I'm sorted.
And ruling is not bad. You can rule by love also, which I think he's doing.
Exactly. People love it. That's what I want to do. You know, I see more than attention. I want to be respected.
Yeah, that's
I have
more important.
always. I don't want people's attention. I want their respect. Respect is very important for me.
Right.
So, and I want the younger generation also that is trying to, you know, make a name for them. I think the most important thing is your respect. You have to do less work, but do good work so that you're respected. I'd rather be someone who's doing one film a year or in 2 years, but making a good film than just doing films and
Well, then
they
there's
are
no
not
point.
doing good.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah.
So, that is very important.
Right. Amazing. And before, obviously, I cannot let you go without singing Jugni. So we have to say, we have to hear you sing.
Definitely. ए जुगनी चली किस देस जुगनी नू भांदा ना अपना भेस बाजिश के दी खेली ना इश्क नहीं कोई खेल ए वे मलाली वाली जुगनी जी ए वे मेरे पीर दी जुगनी जी ए वे मलाली वाली जुगनी जी ए वे सारे शब्द दी जुगनी जी ए वे मलाली वाली जुगनी जी
Commendable.
Thank you so much.
On that note, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank
It was
you for having
pleasure
me.
talking to you.
Thank you.
And I hope we do this conversation sessions again and again
Yes,
for your
yes.
many more projects to come.
Yes.
And all the best.
Thank you,
Thank
Siddharth.
you.
Thank you.